In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an Eventbrite receipt. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what counts as a receipt, and how to get a formal invoice if you need one for taxes or reimbursement. Start with your email inbox. Right after you buy tickets, Eventbrite sends a confirmation message to the address you used at checkout. Use your inbox search and type in Eventbrite or the name of the event. Open the confirmation message you find. That email typically serves as your proof of purchase, showing the event name, date, ticket type, and the amount paid. Many confirmations include links to view your order online and access your tickets. If you don't see it, try checking folders like promotions, updates, or spam, and confirm you're searching the same email account you used to buy the tickets. If you prefer to view your receipt on the website, head to Eventbrite in your browser and sign in with the exact email used for the purchase. Once you're in, click your profile icon and choose Tickets. You'll see a list of your upcoming and past events. Open the order for the event you're interested in. On the order page, you can review your order details, including the purchase date, quantity, and total paid. You can also access your tickets from here, and if the organizer has made them available, you can download PDFs. Those PDFs can be handy for saving or printing a copy for your records. If your order isn't showing, double-check you're logged into the correct account. Purchases won't appear under a different email. Now, if you need an official invoice or a tax receipt, here's what to know. Some event organizers provide formal invoices or tax documents while others don't. Eventbrite notes that these may be attached to your confirmation email when the organizer enables them. So, take another look at that confirmation message to see if a PDF invoice or tax receipt is included. If it's not there and you require a formal document, contact the event organizer directly and request one. You can usually find a contact option on the event page or within your order details. Keep in mind that the availability of tax invoices is up to the organizer, and they may need a little time to issue it. That's it. Check your confirmation email first, then use the Eventbrite website to view your order, tickets, and any available PDFs, and reach out to the organizer if you need a formal invoice. You'll have what you need in no time.